Hi YouTube. Hold on, I just said that all wrong. My bad, y'all. What's up YouTube and welcome back to my channel, man. It's your boy Kari Loaded and I'm back with another YouTube video, man. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. You already seen by the title what's going on today. I said that all backwards. Hopefully y'all follow me there, but right now I will be heading to, matter of fact, where am I heading? Because I don't have it on my GPS. So let me go ahead and get it on my GPS right quick. All these stops I gotta go to, only did a few. All right, we here. Go ahead and put it on my GPS. It's not far at all, but we gonna go here. We're gonna go to another one. We also gonna go to Starbucks right quick. Y'all, hey man, I think I got a Starbucks addiction. Not necessarily Starbucks, but a caffeine addiction, I should say. I turned into a caffeine fiend, dog. For real, for real. I go to Starbucks at least 3 out of 5 times in my on my trucking day. It's only 2 days where Starbucks is just out of the way. So dang, I should have went. I be trying to spare these cars sometimes, don't pull out in front of them, but they don't be caring when it be me. And then she turning with no turn signal. I could have been gone. But anyway, so dude, I done turned into a Starbucks fiend. If y'all know how to get this Starbucks addiction down, if y'all know how to get this Starbucks addiction down, man, let me know, dog. I got an insane Starbucks addiction. Not addiction, I ain't gonna say I'm addicted. Like, I don't be scratching and fucking itching for Starbucks, but I do be wanting Starbucks. Like, I throw it in my route, bro. I don't deliver there at all, but I be delivering around Starbucks, so I do be going a lot. I go on Mondays, Tuesdays I don't go, Wednesdays. Wait, I go on Monday. Do I go on Tuesday? Tuesdays I do go. I do go on Tuesday. Wednesday I don't go. And then Thursday I go. Friday I be at Chick-fil-A. So it's all a little cycle. Wait, tomorrow Friday. Yeah, today Thursday. So yeah, got me a little apple orange juice right here. I mean, man, I can't even drink it. Light turned green on me. Drop y'all, hey, this for everybody. If y'all ever went to Starbucks and y'all drink coffee in general, not even from Starbucks, drop y'all Starbucks thing, bro. That's, if y'all made it this far, which y'all should have, it's still the beginning of the damn video. How could you not make it this far? So go in the comment section, drop your Starbucks drink. If you don't drop your Starbucks drink, then just drop a chef emoji or say WVid or something. And we gonna keep cooking, man. But I just wanna start trying new Starbucks drinks. But I know that's not gonna do. Oh, that's a Coke truck right there. He probably finishing his day. Y'all can't see, it's too far for y'all to see, but get down there. Let's see if I can catch him. Let's see if I can catch him. Can I get over? Should I get over now? I think I should get over now. Cause them cars do not be trying to let nobody over. Where is he coming from? Why is he coming from? Nah, he had to be coming from, it must be a grocery store right here. Gotta be, right? Yeah, it's a grocery store right there. What grocery store is that? Food Line, okay. That explains. Y'all see him right there. Heading on back, probably look like he heading back. Or maybe the one more. Got a Hellcat right there. I think I done fell out of the Hellcat era. I used to want a Hellcat, like everybody, to be honest. Every black person want a Hellcat for some reason. But I don't think I want a Hellcat no more. I go Trackhawk. Trackhawk is different. Anybody will go Trackhawk, but Hellcat, nah. Like if I mean, obviously if a Hellcat appeared for me and I was able to get it, I'd get it most definitely. But like, it's not in my choices. Like, I want a Supra. That's my goal. Supra Mark 5. You know what I'm saying? So that's what we aiming to. That's what we gonna get. Or I will also go a newer Lexus. I already got a Lexus 250 F Sport. I'd go 350 F Sport or something like that, like a newer version. Thing's tough. Or a RCF. It's just different Lexuses, man. They all look good. I was talking to my mom. She told me if she was financially free enough to get any car she wanted, say she'd get a Porsche like the one that just went by. I don't know if y'all was paying attention, but a Porsche Cayenne or something like that. I don't know. My stepdad said he'd go Lambo. I don't know what type of Lambo he'll get, but he'll go Lamb. Me, that's a great question, man. I go McLaren, dog. You can, like, a McLaren is like you get a McLaren, you know. Like a McLaren is just a nice car, dog. I know if you having certain type of issues, but like, it's a McLaren, bro. Or I'd go like BMW M8. I don't even want only BMW. Like I still kind of am like an i8 fan. I would go i8, but all in all, if I'm gonna get a BMW, if it's not an i8, I'll settle for an i8. But it won't really be settling because that's been my dream car since I was a kid. But like any other BMW I get, it'll be a competition M something. For sure. I ain't getting no, that's just gonna be what that's gonna be. Comp. Oh man, I know he's the guy that's right here. I hate delivering here when they here, bro. Like I hate delivering in certain spots when the managers and stuff here, just because of how I do it when they not here. If that makes sense to y'all. But anyways, let me think. What am I trying to do? Oh, I'm gonna bring the key just in case. He should be in here. Yeah, they about to open, so. But I'm gonna bring the key. Ugh. Oh yeah, somebody in there. I hear something. We gonna open up these doors. Ba-da, 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 ba-da. Alright, they only get 20s and 2 liters. Put my little step stool out right quick. See, the warehouses be doing stuff. They ain't even get these crates from yesterday. They be getting lazy on me, dog, and I'm finna start getting lazy on their ass real soon. Cause now I got crates right here. I gotta figure out if I got an empty base somewhere to put them in. But anyway, I should, after this order, I should have an empty bay with the 2 liters. All right, let's see what 20 ounces they get. They get, hold on, let me. Do it this way so I don't gotta. All right, they get Coke, 2 Cokes. I think all of this, to be honest with you. Wait, cause what's my other stops? I got Boom, Caddy, and what's that last one? Oh yeah, so yeah, it's all of these except one of those oranges, because I had a Domino's at the beginning of my day, but I didn't mind y'all, bro. Beginning of my day, these 20s be stacked up here, bro. Them oranges been there. I would never have seen those. Holy shit. Thanks a lot, guys. This is what happened whenever, you know, You be throw it off and shit, not paying attention to what you're supposed to be doing. Got way too comfortable. They well and shaking up now. Am I even still recording? My camera on? Yeah, I should be. All right, man. Sorry about that, y'all. Y'all threw me off a little bit. I'm blaming y'all for this one. Cause I'm talking to y'all. Usually, this haven't happened in like weeks. I haven't spilled anything in weeks. Something spilled out of one of these drinks though. I see it on the ground right here. I feel it on my hand. All right. Are we missing any? How many we missing? We missing none. Y'all know it still gotta go, right? So when y'all go buy drinks from places, never mind. What else they got? Do they got Sprite too? Yeah, Sprite, Minute Maid, and orange. Sprite? Damn, all of them can't go. But I need all of them to go. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do something real risky. I like to limit my trips, man. I don't like, well, fuck, I gotta, either way, I'm gonna have to come back. Cause they got a water too, so I'm just gonna use those two as the bottom. All right, let's hope and pray. Hold up. Let me move y'all down here for a second. We're gonna hope and pray that this door unlocks. This thing be heavy, y'all. Getting these drinks in the air. All right. Oh shit! I almost fell on me, y'all. Let's knock. There we go. Thank you, man. We're gonna have a good amount of trips left just because they got hella 2 liters. They always get hella 2 liters though. We'll bring this Minute Maid to this side though. Y'all like right here. That ain't gonna work for y'all, huh? I'm gonna put y'all on the ground for a second. Sorry, y'all. Y'all be alright down here. Oh shoot. The reason why is because we're on the wrong side. It's supposed to be over here. Those are like the extra Cokes that they just put on the trunk for me to sell to people. This is what they get. So let's see, we got 7 Cokes. I'm just gonna throw all this shit in. It's going to them, like, gotta be. I don't really go nowhere else that gets 2 liters. Okay, now we're gonna go ahead and take this in right now. Let's get it up. I should have went the other way. I gotta go all the way around the truck. Alright y'all, my camera ended up dying, but went ahead and took everything and finished up that delivery. Right now I'm about to go ahead and head to Starbucks, grab my drink. The whole Dr. Pepper falling everywhere messed me up a little bit, man. But make sure, damn, from the fall. But make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, man, for more car related trucking content. Sorry about that, bro. My camera is just acting crazy, overheating, battery dying, whatever. But I'll catch y'all in my next video, man. Make sure y'all stay tuned for it. We out.